ka late kung hindi ka pa successful sa paningin ng iba. Kung OFW ka at you're thinking, pakiramdam mo na pag-iwanan ka na dahil yung kabatch mo may bahay na, may kotse na, may business na, and somehow financially free, na habang ikaw nagtatrabaho ka pa rin abroad at wala ka pa naiipon, huwag mong gawing sukatan ang timeline ng ibang tao sa'yo. I think this is what most people do among us, is we compare ourselves to other people success. Hindi pare-pareho ang starting point natin. You always have to remember na, at lalong hindi pare-pareho ang journey, kasi iba is ongoing pa lang, iba naman is we are being molded to become a better person. Maraming tao ang yumayaman, nag-business, nag-invest at nakakamit ang freedom nila in later life. Di ba sabi nga nila is life starts at 40. Di ba naman nagsisimula on 50? May nagsimula kahit wala silang alam. My father doesn't know anything about accounting, but he was able to retire at the age of 55 or 50. Ang importante, nagdesisyon silang magsimula. Yung the moment guys na nag-isip kayo na mag-iipon ako this year, I will do this year, that everything starts in the mind. Lagi niyo isipin yan. Kung OFW ka ngayon, huwag mong isipin na hanggang dito na lang ako, ito na lang siguro yung magiging trabaho ko. Habang nagtatrabaho ka, matuto ka, habang kumikita ka, mag-ipon ka. You have to learn something new each day. Habang nag-iipon, natututo kang mag-invest. Kailangan nag-elevate tayo every year. At habang may trabaho ka, humanap ka ng skills or negosyo na pwede mong maging second source of income. It could be selling, buy and sell, anything. Huwag kang mahiya magbenta sa mga kaibigan mo. Hindi mo kailangan baguhin ang buong buhay mo bukas. But the fact that you are starting something, even if it's small, you're learning slowly and you keep it going, baka yung ginagawa mong maliit ngayon, is yun yung magiging dahilan kung bakit iba na ang buhay mo after ng ilang taon mula ngayon. Because no one can tell, but the fact that you're doing something new, the universe will bring that to you. Hindi ka late, hindi ka behind. Nasa sarili mo lang na timeline ka, and I've always wanted this to be reminded. Kung may pangarap ka pa, may oras ka pa para simulan. And all of us we're just all in our own timeline. Thank you so much.